Guys, when you see me today, do nothing but talk to me nice, because guess what? We are unboxing. Yay! One of the few times that I get this excited is when I'm doing an unboxing. So I am super duper happy about this video. I hope you guys are as well, because I cannot wait, guys. Like, the waiting game has been so killing. Like, I've had this bag in my room, in the box, in the bag for like, you know, days, and I haven't been able to romance it the way I would like to, just because I have to come unbox with you guys. Like, you can imagine, like, you guys should give me kudos. Like, you know what, just give me a thumbs up just for that. I need that thumbs up. Drop it right now. Thumbs up for me. Like, I deserve it. Like, trust me. So yeah, you guys already know by the title of this video that we're going to be doing an unboxing, and of course by the smile on my face you can already tell. So before we do that, I would like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I do appreciate you a lot. Without you guys here on YouTube, there is no me. Thank you for your support. I do appreciate you a lot. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on my beautiful face. My name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbags, about fashion, about solid gold jewelry, about luxury handbags, and I vlog sometimes. If any of this content is something that you love, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button below to join us, and I promise you, you're gonna love it here. Like, yeah, you're at the right place, I promise you. Overall, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It encourages me a lot to keep going, and also to know the type of videos that you like for me to make more of. Also, guys, if you haven't yet, feel free to follow me on Instagram or TikTok. My handle is going to be on the screen. On those platforms, I inspire you on how to style your bags, on how to style your outfit, and I also encourage you to wear your style with confidence. So follow me on those platforms as well, so you don't miss out on anything from me. Without dragging this intro for too long, let's just jump right into the unboxing, because me, I cannot wait. I don't know about you, like, I cannot wait to open this bag. Like, Canada, are you ready? Because I am ready. So just bringing the bag out of the, I had to show you this whole bag because the sales associate was nice enough to remember that I got my star pin. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, so she gave me my golden star, which, you know, I'm going to be using for a different purpose at the end of the day. But, you know, this is a very, very cute star. I don't know yet, but I'm definitely going to be repurposing this star because it's made of metal, so it's going to be useful. So yeah, I had to, you know, do that so I don't break my nails. So yeah, this is the box that it came in. So opening up the box, ta-da-da, here is the bag. You know, I'm just gonna, let me come close to the camera. I'm going to break up the sticker to unveil the bag itself. And here is the bag in the dust bag. Are you guys ready? Let me bring it out. So the sales associate was going to wrap it with ribbon. Then I told her I'm going to be compressing this bag eventually, so you don't have to wrap it. Can I just have my ribbon? And she gave me like more than 3 yards of ribbon. You know, I'm like, okay, cool. What am I going to use this 3 yards of ribbon for? You know, I wish I can. Well, I'm going to find a way to repurpose it eventually. I'll see what people use their ribbons for, which is really, really nice. Like, it's super solid. I like that it's well made. But she gave me like a whole lot of ribbon that she was supposed to use to wrap the bag, but she didn't use because I told her not to. So yeah, this is my bag right here in this dust bag, and by the title you already know we're unboxing a Lady Dior bag. However, what is the color? What color did I get? Put it on the comment section before I open it for you. What color did I get? All right, are you ready? Let's find out. 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 Ta da 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 da. Yes, I got it in black. Yes. So when I had it on my list to buy a Lady Dior bag and LV Capucine bag, I already did the unboxing for the LV Capucine bag. If you haven't watched that already, you know, just look for it. It's probably going to come after this one or before this one, you know. So I had those 2 bags on my list and I wasn't sure. I just wanted one of them in black and one of them in red. One of them in black because I need my Chanel double flap bag to rest. Like, that bag, I have worn it so much that it is beginning to scream, you know. Thank God the bag was well made when I got mine. So I just need the bag to rest, so I needed one in black so that sometimes I can switch between my Chanel double flap bag and either this one or the Capucine bag. So I got this one first. They don't have it in red, they only had it in black, and I just knew that then that moment when I got it, I started to pray that they will have the Capucine bag in red, because it won't make sense for me to buy it in black too. So I'm glad that everything worked out as planned. Like, this is a sign. That's how you know that God is with you, when you're doing things sometimes and everything goes perfectly and smoothly. So yeah, I'm so excited that, you know, I was able to place my hand on this one in black. You know, all the accessories are still covered, which I'm going to be taking out. I usually don't rush to take out the cover of my bag hardware, but this one would look extremely stupid if I leave them on. It will look like as if I went to steal it from the store just to wear, you know. So it makes no sense. I'll probably just leave this one. No, I think it looks ridiculous as well, so I might as well just take it out, you know. It makes no sense for me to leave it on. So there you go. I have taken out the cover of this one as well. You know, it has this leather at the back that says Christian Dior. I'm going to show you everything about the bag, so don't mind me, I'm just taking out the hardware that looks ridiculous already. Maybe I'll just leave that. Oh, you know what, I'm just taking it out too, since I already pulled it. Okay. Right, so that aside, you know, you can now hear the jiggly of the bag. You know, the accessory says D, it has the letter D, letter O, letter I, and letter R, which spells Dior. Like, you guys already know, this is the Lady Dior bag. This is what it looks like. It comes with this handle. I love the fact that the handle is not just leather. It has leather and some material, I believe plastic inside. So yeah, this is what the inside looks like. This is just like a cover. It's not part of the bag. It's just like a cover for the head, which I'm going to be using in, you know, because of dust. I mean, it doesn't matter because dust will get to the other part of the bag as well, but I think it's just okay for me to still use it on when I'm storing it away. So this is what the top looks like. It has this just this close, just something to cover it. It's not like a closure or anything. It's just like a cover, you know, and the inside is all suede. This is what the inside looks like. It has let me bring out the paper. It has a strap, which I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. So yeah, this is what the inside looks like. It has this section right here, which is very wide, very wide. It has another section with a zip. Let me come close to the camera. It has another section with a zip, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this out. I usually don't like to have my authenticity card in my bags for safety reasons, so I'm gonna take it out eventually. So it has that compartment as well. Just trying to zip it back, and then again the other side. Again, it's all suede on the inside, so you can just cover it like this, and this is how you get it covered, and this is how you are able to wear your bag. So this is what that's what it looks like on the inside. On the outside, on the hardware, it has CD on each part of the hardware. It has CD, you know, and this is what the leather looks like closely. I hope you can see. This is the side, this is the side. Yeah, this is the handle part, this is the top, this is the bottom. It has feet as well. The feet is sharp. The shape of the feet is sharp. It doesn't have anything printed. The feet doesn't have anything printed on it, just FYI. And this is what the bottom looks like, you know. And yeah, I think that's about it. So for the strap, this is the strap. I don't think the strap is as long as the Capucine. I'm not sure what the length of the strap is. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys. But the strap also has CD on this side. It has CD on this side and this side. Then yeah, that's it. It has 1 2 3 4 5. It has 5 holes. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it has 5 holes. So I'll mostly be wearing it top handle like this most times. This is how I plan to be wearing it most times, top handle. However, if I really need to wear it strap, which I doubt, because I don't understand why I would want to wear with strap. Well, maybe when I'm like what's it called, maybe when I'm like hands full and I need a way to just wear my bag on my body, you know, then I'll wear with the strap, and I'll just put it like so. On the inside is where I'm hooking it to. Just hook it like opposite like that, and then put it on my shoulder. So I have the strap on the third hole. Again, it comes with 5 holes, so I have it on the 3rd hole, and this is how long it is for me. It's right at my, no, below my hip. Yeah, it's right below my hip is where it is, so meaning the strap is long for me to wear it like this and as a crossbody if I want. That's what I believe, because the strap is really long. I love when the strap of the bag is long. It's just that for this one is not so applicable. Again, I would only wear with strap when I extremely need to, but my plan is to wear it as a top handle. I am also thinking of covering up the handle of this bag, so I'm going to look at other people's pictures for inspiration. If I get inspired, then I will go to Dior and buy like 2 bundles. I don't know what they call it. I know Louis Vuitton says bundle, Hermes call it twilly. I don't know what they call their own, so I'll probably buy 2 and wrap it up. If I love what I see, I'll probably cover up the handle, but if not, then I'll just keep the handle this way. But yeah, again, this is what it looks like. This is the entire bag. So yeah, so that's all about this bag. I love it a lot. I'm excited that I now have it in my collection. It is well made. I don't see any thread sticking out, because you know it has a lot of threading around it, but I don't see any thread sticking out. I already checked at the store anyways before they packed it up, so I think, you know, it is well made. It's made with 100% leather as well, which I love. And yeah, it's super cute, super nice. I'm happy that I eventually have a Lady Dior bag. I knew, like, if you guys have seen my past videos, you already know that I knew that I would definitely be adding this one and the Capucine bag to my collection. It's just that I plan to buy them pre-loved because they don't have good pre-loved value. But fortunately for me, I was traveling to Paris, so I decided to buy the 2 of these bags, which I eventually spent, you know, if not exactly what I would have bought them pre-loved, but at least just a little bit more than what I would have bought these 2 bags pre-loved. So yeah, I'm so glad that I got it. I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm just hoping to, you know, get my cost per wear at the end of the day on this bag. So yeah, that's all about this bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any additional questions about this particular bag, or any bag that I have in my collection, or any bag that I don't have yet, feel free to leave them for me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Before we see again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you remain blessed, and I wish you peace.